Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying build and architecture, so you reinstall the correct package. This matters because system binaries differ. Once done, back up your media player library and playlists to avoid data loss and create a system restore point. Make sure to close media player and temporarily disable third-party codecs or shell extensions that can block reinstall. Then open Settings and prepare to use optional features and PowerShell. These are the first actionable steps that let you control the reinstall process. You now remove the existing media player to force a clean install. First, use Settings App's optional features or turn Windows features on /off to uninstall. Once removed, open Elevated PowerShell to disable any leftover optional features and unregister media player packages. This avoids corrupted states. After executing the removal commands, reboot. When the system restarts, re-enable media player from Windows features or install the official M6/MSI package. This restores the correct files and registry entries so the app runs cleanly. You finish by launching media player and letting it rebuild the library. Make sure associations are set so file types open correctly. If playback or UI issues persist, reset the app in Settings App's advanced options to clear cached data. If errors continue, run system file checks, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system components that the installer relies on. One key troubleshooting tip: uninstall third-party codecs and run clean boot. Many failures come from conflicting codecs or shell extensions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.